All right, so now question 9 and 10 are asking how the seismograph and the Richter scale are the same and how they are different. We can see right here it is talking about the seismograph. Excuse me. The seismograph shows these relatively low energy seismic waves as little wiggles. They use these seismographs to measure earthquake strength or magnitude, and if they're small, they're little wiggles. During a big earthquake, Earth's surface shakes a lot harder. So the seismograph shows these high energy waves as big zigzags. Now the Richter scale is another way scientists measure an earthquake's magnitude. It assigns a number based on the largest seismic wave recorded for that earthquake. The higher the Richter scale number, the stronger the earthquake. And we talked, a few of us yesterday, how, a magnitude of a 5.0 earthquake on the Richter scale causes 10 times as much ground shaking as a 4.0 earthquake. We thought that was really interesting. So go back to 9 and 10 and tell how they are the same and how they are different. Use the evidence from this text to answer 9 and 10.